It is back to school time, which often means a trip to the doctor for a shot or two.
But across the country and also here in Indiana, we are seeing that fewer students are going and getting those shots. So to help raise vaccine rates, there are some clinics that are available for families all across the city of Indy. In fact, there's one underway right now with an incentive to go for a visit. You know, they might not like the shots, but they're going to like a visit at the Children's Museum. Right, Ella?
Yeah, that's exactly right. Bluey was even here from the Colts, so you might get to see him as well. But the Indiana Medical Association, State Medical Association, says that the Indiana state average for vaccines is lower than the national average. And that's why vaccination clinics like this, free ones like this at the Children's Museum, really make a difference in hoping to raise those numbers. Now, I also spoke with the doctor about the trend and why it's important for parents to know about events like this.
For 45 years, Dr. Eric Yancy has treated children. He gives them vaccines when it's that time of year. But more recently, he sees parents come in with hesitation and questions when it comes to shots for their kids.
I have to then explain the risk of many times, and I love to use the expression, you only get one chance to be wrong. Okay, and so if a child gets some of these vaccine preventable diseases, they can get irreversibly ill.
Dr. Yancy says lower vaccination rates mean less herd immunity, meaning more children are at risk of getting sick. The Indiana Department of Health says only 86% of kindergarten students in the state meet vaccine requirements, but Marion County kindergartners have an even lower rate at 80%.
I fear is that we will start to see the things we've now eliminated, and that's going to be tragic, but unfortunately it's going to be too late for some.
He says outreach and education events like this free vaccine clinic at the Children's Museum are important. Angelina Moore with the museum organized the clinic with Anthem to provide Hep A, MMR, Tdap, HPV, and polio vaccines for families, hoping to raise the number of vaccinated children in the community.
We are very much invested into our community, so just beyond coming here to visit, it's important just to create equitable access and to be a resource.
Dr. Yancy says anyone hesitant to vaccinate their kids should talk to their pediatrician and ask for resources they read to understand the importance.
It's my continuing, plea to the parents that let's go ahead and protect the children. Just like car seats, like sunscreen, like anything else. Let's protect the children as best we can.
And this vaccine clinic tonight ends at 8, but they'll also have other ones coming up this month, the soonest being this Monday, and we'll have more information on that on our website.
All right, Ella, thank you so much.